Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Bright Black Bulb. Today's video is all about how to create an end screen in 2020. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods that you can make an end screen. If you don't use an end screen, then you are missing many potential viewers and subscribers because you are not directing people to your other videos. Now this is a part 11 to the mini-series that I'm doing on this channel. If you haven't watched the previous 10 videos, make sure to watch them as I shared many tips on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch and gave you guys many proven methods on how to get more views and subscribers. The link to all these 10 videos are going to be in the description. Make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss anything related to this mini-series, as I will be uploading more videos. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. YouTube have updated their user interface for adding an end screen not so long ago. I have not seen many creators focus on this updated version of YouTube Studio, so in today's video I have decided to show you how you can get around this new user interface and show you how to add an end screen. There are two ways that you can add an end screen. The first way is when you are uploading a video. When you are posting a video, there are 3 or 4 sort of tab-like things that you need to complete. If you are not monetized, you have 3 tabs, but if you are monetized, you have another tab for monetization options. Now as you can see, Papa Bulb only has 3 tabs, which means he is not monetized. Help Papa Bulb reach monetization requirements by subscribing and watching his other videos. They are really helpful. Okay, let's get back on track. When you are first posting a video, the first tab is about details. The second tab is about monetization settings for that video. The third tab is where the magic happens and you can add an end screen. What you need to do is to click on the add button that is next to add an end screen. This is how you can add an end screen. This is the first way that you can access the end screen template. For now, I'm going to discard changes and get out of here because I don't want to actually post anything now. The second way that you can manage to add an end screen is by going to YouTube Studio where you are at your home page. Then from the menu on the left side, or as some people call it, the navigation panel, click on the videos. Now you can see a list of your videos. Choose the video that you want to add or edit its end screen. Now all my videos have an end screen, but to show you guys I will select this video. You need to click the pencil icon that appears on the video. Then on the right hand side, you need to click on the pencil icon next to the end screen. Now this is the new user interface for creating end screen. As you can see, it looks like some sort of editing software. Now you can add an end screen to your videos, but just keep in mind that you can add end screens to the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. Now to add an end screen, I'm first going to delete this end screen that I have right now by clicking the bin icon. You can see that on this end screen, I have a subscribe button and 2 videos. Now when I delete them all, you can see that I have a fresh page now. This red sort of template that you can see in the background is a copyright-free video that I took from pixabay.com. You can get many copyright-free videos, images and graphics for free. I will link their website in the description. This template is a video and you need to add it to the end of your video when you are exporting it from the editor. But regardless of this, the methods are the same for me and you. You can add an end screen to your videos even if you don't have this. But this just gives it a cleaner look in my opinion. Now we have 2 options here. We can either click on import from video and this opens up a tab where you can choose an end screen template from one of your videos. For example, I'm going to select this video. All I need to do is to simply click on it and you can see that it gets added to the end screen of this video. The second option is to click on the plus end screen, which means add end screen. When you click on it, you can see that it gives us different options such as videos, playlists, subscribe, channel and link. If you click on video, you can put one of your videos in your end screen. If you choose playlist, you can add playlist to your end screen. if you click on subscribe, you can add a subscribe button so it's easier for people to subscribe. If you click on channel, you can add another channel to your end screen. This is very useful if you have two different channels and you want to promote the other one. Or if you did a collaboration with another YouTuber, you can link their channel there. Finally, if you click on links, you can add an external link. For instance, if you have a website, you can add it here to your end screen. Now for my own end screen, I want to add two videos and the subscribe button. To do that, I can choose from the menu above that I just showed you, or I can use one of the pre-made templates that YouTube has created. Now I'm going to select this template over here by clicking on it. Now you can see that there are blank elements on the screen. You can fill these elements by clicking on them. For example, when I click on this first one here, I can choose from one of the most recent uploads or a specific video. You can also click on end screen above and choose one of the options in that menu. For now, I'm going to choose a specific video, and the video that I'm going to add is this video. Now you can see that the video that is added is shown here. The next element that I want to fill is this one, so I'm going to click on it. You can choose whatever option you like, but I'm going to choose best for the viewer. Now for the subscribe button here, you don't need to do anything, because YouTube will automatically add that. As a reminder, I'm going to tell you once more that end screens can appear anywhere from 20 to 5 seconds at the end of the video. We can adjust this length down here. We can see that all three video elements are added to the last 20 seconds of the video. Now if we want to adjust its length, we need to click on the element in the timeline and adjust it like so. We can click on the play icon above to see how our end screen looks like. If you don't like where these elements are placed, you can click on them and change their position. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you think about this video. Finally, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified every single time I upload videos. Until next time, peace.